In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move fields in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rearrange your form to make it cleaner, more logical, and easier for respondents to complete. Start by making sure your form is open in the Form Builder. This is the editing view where you can see your fields on the canvas and make adjustments in real time. Once you're there, look at the field you want to move. Move your mouse over that field and pause for a moment. You'll notice a blue border appear around it. That blue border is your visual cue that the field is active and ready to be moved. If your form is long, it can help to center the field on your screen so you have space to drag it smoothly. Now click and hold anywhere on the field. Keep the mouse button pressed as you start to drag. As you drag the field up or down the form, watch for the placement indicator that appears between other fields. When you see the indicator above or below another field, that's where the field will land. Jotform gives you that snap to position so you can be precise without guessing. If your form is longer than the screen, drag toward the top or bottom edge to auto scroll. Go slowly so you don't overshoot your target section. When the indicator lines up exactly where you want the field to go, either above or below another field, release the mouse. The field drops into that position instantly. Take a quick look to confirm the new order feels right. If it isn't quite where you wanted, just click, hold, and drag again. Moving fields is non-destructive, so you can adjust as many times as you need without affecting the field's settings or previously collected data. A few practical tips can make this smoother. Group related fields together to guide respondents through a natural flow, like contact details first, then preferences, then confirmation. If you're working with sections or page breaks, keep fields within the same section to maintain a clear structure. For complex forms with conditional logic, moving a field won't change its settings, but it's a good idea to glance at your conditions afterward to ensure the form still reads logically in its new order. On smaller screens, dragging can feel tight, so a desktop browser gives you the most precise control. That's all there is to it. Hover to see the blue border, click and hold, drag to the new spot, and release to drop. Your changes save automatically in the Form Builder, so your layout stays exactly how you arranged it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building cleaner, more user-friendly forms.